Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek and that's Praveen Nair, and today we're going to be doing for all vegan lovers a cashew sour dip. So I have cashews which are already pre-soaked for about 4 hours. After soaking them, I have thrown away the water. So these are pre-soaked cashews. They are 110 grams of cashews what I have taken pre-soaked. Next I have olive oil, Himalayan rock salt, 2 tablespoons lime juice, 1/3 teaspoon that's apple cider vinegar, 3 to 4 tablespoons of water.
Alright guys, so the vegan dip is ready and completely ready for you guys. Okay, so being said that, it's filled with heart healthy fatty acids, which makes it really special over here.
So the vegan dish can be used with various things like salad sticks, like grilled tofu, like baked cauliflower, lots of stuff. I'm sure all you guys love our videos, so please subscribe our channel, share it with more friends and family so that they know about us. Please hit that bell button so that you're updated with all the new videos which are coming, and stay tuned with us.
Go out there and be fit guys.